Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today, let me introduce you this device here. This is an upgraded switching power supply. 12 volt 30 ampere 360 watt power supply. Light emitted diode transformer. A transformer is not a big robot which you're going to fight against the Decepticons or something else. No, Babe. No. This is a transformer for 230 volt, or of course lower consumption is possible too. The entire world is possible. We can make an input for 150, 120, 200, 210, 230, and so on. And it will transform this to 12 volt DC, the recommended 12 volt power supply. This is a voltage converter. It's convert one to another. This transformer for a 3D printer, diesel heating devices, pie heaters, CCTV, LED lights, and so on are designed like a starter battery, which is in your car. You have two poles, one positive, one negative pole. That means one plus, one minus, which you can use with crocodile clamps, or you can use it with screws, or you can use this to connect what you like. And not only one device, similarity is possible. We have input and output. The input voltage can be 110 volt up to 120. So it is the entire world proof, and 220 to 240 volt. The output voltage will be DC 12 volt with a maximum peak current of 30 ampere, 360 watt. On the market, there is another of that. This is with 50 ampere and 600 watt possible. For a continuous operation, it is recommended to keep the load below 80% of the rated capacity to ensure stability and a long service life. And we have an upgraded housing, because a high-quality aluminium alloy housing comes with a heat dissipation grid and dust protection net, equipped with overload. That means overvoltage, overheating, and short circuit and leakage current protection for a safer and reliable operation under various conditions. And it comes with an efficient cooling system. Optimized air guidance with a temperature-controlled fan ensures a lower operation temperature even at a continual lead. With a built-in power switch for quick and convenient operations, this is ideal for 24/7 operation if you need it. And we have a lot of connection options. Includes a wall mount bracket, a non-slip fit, power cord with switch, cable locks, metal clamps, and screws. These four connection methods are possible: copper terminal connection, two variants, direct connection for loads, and individual wiring for flexible installation requirements. That means we have a wide range of applications possible. It's suitable for light-emitted diode strips, 3D printers, monitoring systems, industrial automation, car audio, medical devices, solar systems, air compressors, diesel heaters, and auxiliary heater. That means all kind of 12 volt devices can be handled or can be having power supply with this power supply switching device by lightning wheel. It brings us the new version, AC to 12 volt DC transformation. We have over temperature protection, good stability, and no LED buzz, short circuit protection, overload protection, several times protection. Brings us a lot of safety. It's the EUL listed ROS certified, so this power supply makes a powerful job, and it supplies for a lot of stuff out there. We have full tension design. we have a safety switch, which we can switch on and off clearly. We have an intelligent cooling system and a good conductivity. The power supply from 230 volt to 12 volt has a full voltage design, an intelligent cooling system, a safety switch, and a good condition, yeah. Upgrade aluminum housing, more connection options, one-step operation, and a really nice speed installation. It can be installed in any position with the included screws and brackets, as you like it. You can do it with PCP compressor, radio communication, LED strip lights, car radio, radio station itself, LED displays, camera control, vacuum cleaner, CCTV camera systems, tire inflators, diesel heating devices, car refrigerators. All that is possible by using such a power supply, which works in a DC 12 volt. This is the Lightning Wheel upgraded switch power supply for all your nearly all your 12 watt devices out there, with 30 ampere and 360 watt power. A nice power supply, which brings you a lot of power for your devices. If this is not enough, 50 ampere or 600 watt are possible too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.